Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited to be showing you guys today's tutorial. I used a Colourpop eyeshadow palette and I've never used a Colourpop eyeshadow palette before, so you guys are going to see my impression on that. So if you want to see how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair, and I like using this shade because shadows really pop over top of this really light concealer, so I really love using this shade, especially to carve out my brows. Looks really clean. And then I'm going in with Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 on my brow bone. I can't live without a brow bone highlight and an inner tear duct highlight, so you already know that I had to get that in there. And then I'm going into this Element of Surprise palette, and I love all the shades in this palette. As soon as I saw this palette, I knew that I wanted to create a look with it because these are just my favorite tones and this palette was just speaking to me. So first thing I'm going into is this shade right here, and it is called Go With The Flow. I love the names of these shadows too. And I'm just going to be popping this into the crease. And this is a very pigmented eyeshadow. It definitely had a lot more color than I thought it was going to have just by looking at it in the pan. But then again, I used a very light eyeshadow base. So I really love this eyeshadow. I'm just buffing it into the crease. And I'm hugging my natural lid. So I'm just, first I like to generally keep the shadows very low. And then with the leftover product, I like to blend up. And then next thing I'm doing is going into the next shade called Peace of Mind, and I'm going in with a slightly defined brush and I'm hugging the lid once again, and I'm mainly applying the product in the outer corner. That's where I want it to be the most pigmented, and then I want it to slowly blend inward, so that's what I did with my brush. The next shade that I'm going into is called Late Night, and I'm just buffing that into the crease as well. I'm just going to slowly start to add depth and just continue to blend it out. The next shade I'm going into is called Feels, and this is a really pretty like rose gold shade, and I'm just applying that all over my lid, and I'm going to be applying a glitter over top of this. So the glitter that I'm going in with is called Rosalind by Shop by Le Boss. And I really love this glitter. It has like copper and gold flecks in it, and it's really pretty. I just wanted to keep it on the inner half of the lid and then slowly kind of diffuse it into the outer corner. I didn't want to bring it all the way into the outer corner. And then with a defined brush, I added some more of that deeper purple shade and then slowly diffused it with a fluffier brush. For eyelashes, I'm going in with my Shop Sofie Bella Jamaica lashes. These are one of my favorite lashes to wear right now, especially with no eyeliner. And then I'm going into my Mr.Write eye pencil by the Balm. Really black pigmented eye pencil. Really love that. And then I'm going back into the shades that we used in the crease. So first the transition shade, and then the darker shade, and then the darkest purple shade, and I'm just kind of blending those all together. Then I'm going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my lower lashes, and then to finish off this look, I'm just applying a little bit more of that Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 on my inner tear duct and on my brow bone. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!